Hello. Hi. Hi. So this is an award-winning mozzarella. Cheers.
Hey guys, welcome back to a new vlog. And today I am going to take you to Sawara, an Edo period town and one of the best places to experience Japanese history.
A tourist town. It is a tourist town, yeah. So from here, we're just going to walk to the ancient street or historic street of Sawara, or they call it Little Edo. Before anything else, my wife wants to eat. That's a place. 7-Eleven. That's where we're going to eat. Like this. Alright, so our foods are here. Oh, yummy. It's a set. You get your miso soup, you get your radish, and you get this, the katsudon. So it looks yummy. Mm. Miso soup. So good. I'll give it a 5 actually. I'm gonna give it a 5. So this place is legit. I love it. I gave it a 5 stars. How about you? 5 star?
Yes,
Yeah. 5 out of 5. It's really good. You know what's the best thing about that? The chef went out to say thank you. Right?
Yeah.
They're so polite. I love it there. You gotta, guys, if you come here to Sawara, make sure to visit them. Look at this. They got white Coca-Cola. I think that's vanilla. Because there's a vanilla Coke. There you go. Look at that. You want to do that? Hello. Hi. Hi. I think this is the main tourist attraction here. We've been here actually,
At
but
night.
at night, and everything's closed already. The boat tour. I wanna do it. Boat tour. Let's go. The boat is up to 3:30 only. It's already 3:27, so we'll try to walk fast. Right, so it's already closed. Oh no! Oh no! Maybe next time. But yeah, it looks fun. And maybe next time will be earlier. This is Ino Ta Da Taka house. He's a famous
Cartographer
cartographer, according to my wife.
who completed the first map.
Oh yeah, I read about this. He's the one who completed the first map of Japan.
Yeah.
Yeah, I heard about him. There's stove before. Look at
Sake
that.
brewing. Di ba dun sila nag-brew ng sake?
No, that's
It's
a
their business.
sake. No, that's the stove.
Brewing.
Oh.
Then,
That's not the stove. He got a really big house. Look at this. Lots of rooms. Oh, that's him right there. I don't know if you guys can see, but there's a wooden portrait of him right there. This is like a stream, a water reservoir. So it means he must be very rich before to have this. Because of course there's no faucet before. So this is a fresh water. So this is where he gets his water. He got a samurai katana. B. I don't think you can carry katana back in the days if you're not a samurai.
no.
No, he's not a samurai.
Merchant and
How come he got a
cartographer.
katana? He got a big compound. And guys, look at this. He's really rich. You know why? Look at the parking lot. So I'm walking on a old bridge. This is the highest rated restaurant in Sawara. Right here. That one. And it can cost you up to 10,000 yen. At least 10,000 yen to eat there. But they said it's really good. But they close early. It's closed already, see? Closed. That's Casa Aruberata right there. It's already closed. So you gotta come here early, maybe for lunch. So this is the end of the historic district. Oh my god, something bit me. Alright, so something bit me. I don't know what. Maybe an ant. This stall right here, he's making some kind of cheese. And look at this. Japan Cheese Award. So they won Japan Cheese Award back in 2024. And there you go. It's like mozzarella. So, and Yeah, so we need to taste that. And he told me to buy here. So they make it here, and then you buy it here. And let's go. It's open. Oh, this one won as well. The mozzarella. It's good with coffee.
Because it's sweet and it's like a dessert.
All right,
Oh,
we'll have that.
3?
All right, 3.
Just 2.
Just 2. And you got 2 kinds of this, right? This is one of the award-winning cheese product. Award-winning cheese product of this restaurant. Cheers. I cannot explain that taste, but yeah, I can taste the cheese. But is it good? It is good, but I just can't explain the taste. Can't explain the taste, but it's cheesy.
Is it good?
It's good. It's different. It's new to my taste bud. It's new. That's an award-winning cheese product. Coffee. At last, I found a good coffee in Japan. This it's a little bit smoky, huh? It's a little bit smoky actually. The mozzarella. So I've seen Italians speak just eat mozzarella straight up. So this is the first time I'm going to do this. So this is an award-winning mozzarella. Cheers. I kinda understand why Italians do this. But the thing is, I cannot compare it to anything because this is my first time. But what I can tell you is I'm loving it. Like I'm loving the experience. But I cannot compare it to any other mozzarella because this is my first time doing this. But I like it.
This is cheese?
I like the experience. Yeah, that's cheese. Yeah, you can explain the taste, no?
Different.
Yeah, it's different. This restaurant actually have a good view of the UNESCO street of Sawara. Look at this. That's a good snack. I don't know if I can call that a snack because it's so heavy. The main thing here is walking and eating. Japanese houses are really nice, even the ancient houses like this one. It's really nice. Look at the window of this. What? Oh, it has this is cement? That's a thick window. Why is it so nice to just walk here? What are those? Those are big. Big fish. Carp. Can they eat that? Oh, there's a lot over there. Maybe if we cross later.
Here.
Oh, even here. Can you eat that? I mean, can you catch it and then eat it? As a local here, if you can actually catch the fish and eat it, no, you can't. It's forbidden. But you can feed them actually over there. He told us that you can go there and feed the fish. And he got a cute dog. Hi! Arigato gozaimasu. Arigato gozaimasu. They're friendly here, you know? Even in China, they're friendly. Even in the Philippines, we are friendly. Come to Asia, you'll have fun. Sakura season is almost here, but these are not sakuras. These are crying willow trees. What?
Weeping.
Weeping. It's the same. Weeping and crying. So it's weeping willow trees here at the Sakura Street.
Sakura Street.
I mean Sawara Street. I'm sorry, guys. Swan. Ugly duckling. Those are baby swans.
Yeah.
Wow. So I think after the train tracks, that's it. That's the end of the historic street. There's nothing here anymore. Well, houses. Yeah, but if you want to just walk and to check it out, just come check it out, like what we're doing right now. It's at the end. I think there's a big gate or something at the end. There's like a big gate before it. This goes to the sea. There's a huge gate. That's a floodgate actually. Floodgate over there. Let's go near it. Oh, behind the gate is an island. There's actually a viewpoint, I think. There's a road going up that hill, but it's in the other side, so there's no way to cross it here. Alright, so I'm here and I can see the island from here. There's an island just behind the gate. And here's another restaurant right here. Oh yeah, you can go up here. I didn't know that, but yeah, this is a good restaurant according to Google review.
How
4 stars, so that's already good in Japan.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a big part that someone's fishing. How come they can fish here?
But not there.
Not there. Oh my god, it's amazing. Yeah, now someone's fishing there, and that's the island that we're talking about. So, yeah, there's the gate, another gate there, and this is just such a nice view, calm view actually, and that's a nice bridge. Go feed the carps. So there's a free fish food here. Just look for a trash bin like this, and you can feed the carp. But it's too dark for you guys to see. There are actually some shops here that are still open, but I think up to 8 p.m. only. Yeah, look at now. Most of the shops are now closed. Everything that we ate here, it's good. I love it.
ことにお願いに参っております。ありがとうございます。前田でございます。前田正幸でございます。大変皆様。
Maybe I did not realize, but that's the cartographer, the famous cartographer. That one, that's his statue. Yeah. Alright, so we are back here in Sawara Station. That was a good day here in Sawara. I had fun. I hope that you had fun, because this is such a good place to visit here in Japan, in Chiba Prefecture, Japan. So that's it for this vlog, and I hope that you will like this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also click on that notification bell so that you can go with me next time. It's such a good place, no?